Hello, lovely people, and welcome back to Carmela's Art Journey, the journey that is ours. Yes, and today we have the How To Friday coming in, and we go back to our well known studies page where I have already placed some watercolor leaves that are already dry. So today we are going to work a little bit with the colored pencils, watercolor pencils, sorry. In this case, the Inktense pencils, which work just as usual watercolor pencils. And we are working from coloring to painting and back. Means we are working on dry, sometimes dry on dry and then wet, as I am doing right now, where I color using the technique of pushing a little bit the trace and losing, and then I come with my pencil, with my brush, and start pulling the pigments the way I want. And with the brush and the pigments that have been already applied to this dry surface, I can simply reshape a little bit my object or work on the framing, on the edges of those elements, and include details if I want, all with my brush and pencil. As I said, if I have already colored something, as in this case, I can just go with my brush, with my humid brush, sometimes a little bit more wet depending on how I want to pull and push the pigments, but I can just go and do whatever I want and just pull with the brush, and then you will see the amazing pigments flowing around or building shapes. Then we are going to see the little blue leaf there that I started also dry. We are going to use the pigments that I will have already applied to with the pencil, and use it to the outside of my shape to create a kind of a shadow. So you are going to see that through the contrast between the blue and the dark brown, the dark chocolate color, it will give the impression at the end as if this leaf would be almost shining, which I find really fantastic. I hope you enjoy it. Well, you will see the other ones I will work dry on dry, I will work wet on wet, and then I will first wetten the layer, the paper first in the first layer, on the wet watercolor layer that is already dry. I will wetten this up and then start with the color pencil, doing the details that I want, and so on. Let me know if you like to work with watercolor pencils. Have you tried it already? And if you have any questions or any doubts, just drop me a line. And I already take the chance here to ask you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe so you help us keep doing this. Keep showing you some tricks, some tips, and some techniques. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you relaxed a little bit, as always. And don't forget to stay positive. Bye-bye.